To make chocolate-covered brownie bites, melt 8 ounces, 227 grams of bittersweet chocolate pieces, and 1/2 cup, 113 grams of unsalted butter into a double boiler over medium-high heat. Remove the mixture from the heat and let it cool for about 15 minutes. Stir in 1 1/4 cup, 250 grams of white sugar, 3 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters of vanilla extract. Finally, gently fold in 3/4 cup, 94 grams of all-purpose flour, and 1/4 teaspoon, 1.4 grams of salt. Spray an 11 by 7 inch, 28 by 18 centimeter baking pan with nonstick spray and pour the batter into the pan. Bake the brownies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 178 degrees Celsius for about 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the brownies cool completely before cutting them up into bite-sized pieces. Then chill them for at least an hour. Warm 8 ounces, 227 grams of semi-sweet chocolate in the microwave. Be sure to do so in 30-second bursts until it is completely melted. Then dip the brownie bites into it. Decorate them with sprinkles, candies, or nuts if you'd like. Then chill them in the fridge for about 20 minutes or until the chocolate coating hardens.